Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining today's meeting. Today, our focus is to finalize our Smart Tumbler launch plan. Let's cover the product feature, pricing, marketing strategy, competitor analysis, financial plan, and of course, our launch and action plan. Quick recap of key product features. Smart Tumbler will have three key features: automatic hydration reminders, water temperature detection, and Bluetooth connectivity to our app. Our target market includes active users, office workers, and students. So it is open discussion. Please feel free to give input. Perhaps our designer has recommendation on the product design.
I love the direction from the design side where added soft LED reminders on the bottle and push notifications via the app. Quick question. Will user be able to customize the reminder times?
Yes, users can adjust reminder intervals directly from the app settings.
Wow, that's great. So I was thinking from a marketing perspective, it will be awesome if we learn into lifestyle branding from this tumbler. Not just positioning is at a drinking container, but more like a daily essential that fit right in people routine. What if we go with a theme like stay hydrated, stay sharp? It's catchy, easy to remember, and totally makes sense for people who are working, work out, or just constantly on move. It's about promoting a sharper, healthier lifestyle, and the tumbler becomes symbol of that. I also think it will be great to collaborate with influencers, especially those uh, in the fitness space and remote work crowd. There are people whose followers already care about wellness, productivity, and aesthetic daily gear. Basically, we want people to see the Tumblr not just something they use, but something they say, something about their lifestyle.
Yeah. That sounds promising. That sounds great, but we have to be careful with our positioning. We're aiming for a premium, but not a luxury product. Can our campaign target the middle up segment?
Yeah, absolutely. We'll segment based on interests like productivity and wellness rather than just age. I will run A or B testing on ads to refine our message. The main goal is to position the tumbler as more than just a water bottle. It's something that fit in their day-to-day vibe, whether they at the gym, working from cafe, or just running around the city.
Yeah, and well, actually, I have done some analysis on some similar products from our competitors, and most of them are priced around 800K. However, they typically only offer basic features like reminders and a built-in thermometer. In contrast, our products stand out because of its app connectivity, which I believe is a significant advantage. And I'm sure it not only enhances the user experience but also adds real value, making our offering much more unique and appealing in the market. Yeah, I'm really sure for this.
That's hopefully. Speaking of the pricing of considering our product cost is 30,000 and we are aiming for a 40% profit margin. I did recommend that setting the selling price at uh 5 599,000. It position us competitive compet in the market while still giving us enough flexibility to run promotion campaign without cutting too deep into our margins.
Okay, sounds good. Also, I propose what if we bundle a 6-month access premium app version subscription to add value?
Nice idea. I think not only will it help to attract the right audience for the Tumblr, but it could also play a big role in boosting user retention in the long run. When people feel like they are part of lifestyle or community, not just buying a product, they much more likely to stay engaged. It would also help boost our retention. I'll design a smooth onboarding experience in the app for new users.
Okay. Now, let's discuss our launching strategy. I propose a 3-week pre-order campaign with an early bird price of 499,000 for the first 500 buyers. That could also help validate our demand.
Yeah, I totally agree with Andanda, but I think it's really important that we are clear and transparent in our communication because a lot of pre-order projects end up failing because they set unrealistic or inaccurate expectation around shipping timelines. So with that in mind, when do you think we can begin our production?
On production timeline, the manufacturer is ready to begin 2 weeks after pre-orders and with delivery around 4 weeks after that.
All right. Sounds like a plan. So here, what I'm thinking, we will kick things off with a teaser campaign starting next week. It doesn't have to reveal too much, just enough to build curiosity and get people talking. One thing we can do is add a countdown timer on our website and across social media. Something visual and dynamic that give people a sense of anticipation. Then I will start reaching out about maybe 4 or 5 micro influencers who align with our brand I value. Ideally, those in the wellness, productivity, or lifestyle space. I want to work with creators who really resonate with their followers, so the teaser feels more authentic. I will ask them to do soft launching content like maybe unboxing video, sneak peek, or the Tumblr design, or maybe even little hints about how it fits into their daily routine.
So great. And for budgeting, we'll need around 30 million for initial ads during the pre-order pass. We will prepare to the cash flow and break even project. We should recover investment and buy month for.
Okay, that's great. Very, very great. So here's is our action plan. This week, we finalize landing page and teaser content. Next week, we launch a teaser campaign. And on weeks 2, we open pre-orders. And on week 5, we close pre-orders and begin production. And the last, on the week 9, we start shipping to customers.
Nice.
Yeah, and also we will continue to track our competitors also and activities during this campaign.
I'll prepare the early access for application demo for influencer and showcase.
Good.
Okay, perfect. Good job, everyone. We have a strong direction and clear next step. Let's keep the momentum going and meet next week for updates. I really appreciate everyone's hard work. Let's make Smart Tumblr a huge success. Thank you, everyone.
Okay,
Thank
thank you,
you
everyone.
for the meeting.
Okay,
Okay,
see
bye.
you.